Hello everyone, we'll begin bonding the tail wing, foam parts, and plastic parts. Apply glue evenly. Press firmly when closing. Find the direct drive servo angle and apply glue to both sides. Press firmly. Secure with M268mm screws. Take out the hinge and apply glue to the part that contacts the foam. Foam glue is also applied to both ends of the hinge. Use a screwdriver to tighten the hinge. Fold the rudder surface a few times to check that there is no glue on the shaft. Next, attach the vertical tail fin. Pre-assemble it before bonding to check the effect. Find the right contact surface and apply adhesive. Please press firmly. The grooves for installing the fiberglass sheets were also coated with adhesive and secured. Apply adhesive to vertically installed fiberglass sheets and secure them. Apply glue to the contact points of the two vertical tail fins. Finally, press firmly. Servo mount opening facing downwards. Apply adhesive to the contact area between the servo mount and the foam. Press the mounting base tight. Apply glue to the rudder angle. Apply glue to the rudder angle cover as well. Secure with M268mm screws. Apply adhesive to the contact points of the foam hinges. Apply glue to both ends of the hinge, but not to the pivot point. Use a screwdriver to tighten the hinge. Use a sharp knife to make a seam on the rudder surface. After bending it a few times, check that there is no glue at the hinge. Glued head part. First, split the wooden planks and remove the necessary plank pieces. Take the machine head and insert the carbon tube from the bag. Remove the battery cable tie plate for later use. Brush the inside of the carbon nanotube tank with foam adhesive, then press and fix the carbon nanotubes in place. The same fixing method is used on the other side. Apply foam adhesive to the contact surfaces on both sides of the machine head. Press and stick the two sides of the machine head together. Foam adhesive was also applied to the quick-release plastic parts and foam contact surfaces of the machine head. Don't forget to apply foam adhesive to the sides as well. Glue the plastic parts together and press them firmly. Apply foam adhesive to both the reinforcing wooden parts of the machine head and the foam contact surfaces. Align and press the wooden pieces together. Apply foam adhesive to the battery panels as well, but be careful not to apply it to the areas where the cable ties are threaded. Press the battery mounting plate firmly. Glued aircraft nose canopy. First, attach the headstock baffle, paying attention to the installation direction. Apply foam adhesive to the latch area, being careful not to apply it to the spring. Finally, apply foam adhesive to the latch cover and secure it.